Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Your boy has decided to go ahead and gut the ST today, cause why not? Because race car. It used to be ass, gas, or grass. And no, it's because race car. No back seats, no passengers other than the passenger seat. I got racing seats and stuff, which I'm gonna do a separate install. But for right now, let's take the back seats, get the trunk area, the spare tire, all that unnecessary stuff out of the back of the ST, and then, yeah, shed some weight for the track, you know? Gotta shed some weight. Like my hat? Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so here's where we're at right now. We got the two bottom seats out. Now we got to get the top out, which I believe they are somewhere down in between here. I watched the video and I saw them taking it out. It was somewhere. Let me see, I thought I just saw a latch. There's a couple latches over there. Yeah, let's see if we can figure out how to get that. Let me see if there's one down here. There's a, yeah, it looks like there's a bolt down there. There's another bolt right up in here. Then one right there, and then one on that far side over there. And then we'll figure out how to get the seat belts and stuff out and all that good stuff. I think I'm just gonna tuck them in back here somewhere because I don't really feel like taking off all these panels and all that stuff. But for now, like I said, I'm gonna get back to it. Gutting the ST. Got the seats over there next to my broken skateboard and my OBD2 cover, which I ripped off to plug up my access port. Alright, as you can see, we have all this unnecessary junk and stuff in the back seat, all this foam, all this stuff. And if I leave it in there, it's gonna rattle and make noise. Got a brand new spare wheel and tire, never been used. Like, the tire is brand new. Too bad it's a 215 50 R17. I run 255 35 18s. So yeah, might have a spare tire for sale if anybody wants it, because I'm definitely not going to be using that anytime soon. At least I hope. Still, I need a T50 and the biggest I have is a T47, which is weird because I bought a set, and why would it not come with the T50? Why does it stop at 47? But yeah, I just have that one seat to get out, and I'm gonna move all the brackets for all the seatbelt buckles and all that stuff. Maybe some interior panels in the rear, but I know the carpet and stuff is staying for now. Yeah, and then also, I thought my access port had got stolen. I'm literally looking at it sit in the floor right now, which is kind of crazy because I sold my access port cable. Hold on a minute. I literally just found my access port. No freaking way. And I sold the cable. Wow. Yay me. Check it out. Other than some cleaning, she is gutted. We got all that foam stuff out. We got the spare tire out. We got the seats out. We got a couple brackets for the seat belts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pull these brackets and these seat belts out just yet. I do know I'm gonna go vacuum and see what else I can find in here, because I literally found my AP. I can't believe that after selling my cable to Jenny. But it's cool. I'll order another cable and then I'll be able to do some tuning stuff with my car. But for now, there it is. We got it gutted. Just shed about 90 pounds, so that should help me for tomorrow. Even though I feel like more weight would be more grip, I'm sliding all over the track and it's unreal. And my tires aren't even that bad. My tires actually aren't bad at all. They're basically brand new. So, but that's that. The car is gutted for now. Race seats will be going in a separate video. I got some race seats. I'm just waiting on some sliders, some custom sliders that I'm getting, and then I'm waiting on the harnesses. I was gonna get them at Summit, but I'm just gonna wait on those. And then I'm also going to mark out the points for the bolt-in cage, because we're doing a bolt-in 6-point. And then that's that. So yeah, the Focus is semi-gutted. We'll call it semi-gutted because it's not fully gutted yet. Panels are coming out, all that cool stuff. So thumbs up on the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.